Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Neutral. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I do apologize for the really bad wind noise. I had actually tried locating my mic to a different location, and excuse me, it I thought was going to be a good spot. It actually picked up more wind noise than I was expecting. So when I get to those like higher end speeds, you hear the wind so bad. So I figured I'd do this video a little different. I do have two videos, but they're so long that I just kind of split them. So there will be this video and then my next video, which I may do differently. I'm not really sure yet. You know, I am new to this, so you know, I'm not doing this for views or likes or anything. I just, I like riding, guys, so I try to get these videos more for memories. Because this bike that I have right now that you guys see in this video, it is a 2006 R1. It's actually the 2006, 2006 YZF R1. And I'm actually selling it here pretty soon. So I've been trying to get as much basically videos and content that I can. It is an older bike. It's got very low mileage for its age. I think I bought the bike around 19K and probably I'm selling it at around 26,000. So, and it's running really good, really strong. It has power commander, ECU flash. Just overall a badass bike. If you guys have seen some, I know I do have a TikTok, but I don't really post. I can't really like share that link on through YouTube, but the bike is stretched, so that's why you don't really see it come up a whole lot when I get on it. So it helps it from keeping that front end down. But yeah, I know this is a little weird, a little different, but I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I am very sorry for the wind noise. That kind of caught me off guard. Now I do have some other videos I'm still kind of in the making of. Those are not, like, you barely hear any wind noise. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll try to probably put in some copyright-free music here, just to block out some of that wind noise, so you guys can enjoy just kind of a little bit of the video itself. Because I'm out in the county here, so I'm really getting on it, like as you see right here. So, yeah. So anyway, another thing, I do apologize, guys, if you see like a lot of like me messing with my gloves. I wasn't wearing my motorcycle gloves, so these were different. They were like basically construction worker gloves, and they were just like, my fingertips were hurting so bad that it was like I wanted to take them off, but I kept trying to adjust my gloves so they wouldn't hurt my hands. It was weird. So I do apologize for that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And stay safe out there, guys. Watch for cars, watch for idiots, and peace.